you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I'm going to be getting you guys some cleaning motivation because I'll be cleaning my kitchen. Before I get started cleaning, I wanted to show you guys how I earn cash back while shopping on my favorite websites. The other day I ordered a bunch of cleaning supplies from Dollar Tree and I earned 4% cash back. I was able to do this by going to TopCashback.com, creating an account, and then searching for Dollar Tree on their website. Now there are over 4,000 different retailers available on their website, including websites like Walmart, Target, Amazon, Dollar General, and so many more. So I am totally planning on saving up some extra Christmas money by using TopCashback.com to earn money back on my purchases. And if you guys want to earn a little extra, you get a $5 bonus for each referral. So your savings can add up really fast, especially if you're sharing this info with friends and family. You can earn some extra money there for sure. Now also, if you guys want to cash out early, there's no minimum for payout, so that is fantastic. So if you guys decide you want a few extra dollars for something, you can just cash out anytime you want. So they offer 100% commission back to their members because they feature higher rates than their competitors. So this website is one of the best for sure to get your cash back on your purchases. So if you guys want to start earning money back on your purchases, head to topcashback.com. I have a link down below in the description box that will not only earn you guys cash back, but will give you $10 back when you spend $25. Now this offer expires March 29th, so make sure you guys sign up right away to start making some money back. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys some of the stuff I got. I got some rust, lime, and calcium remover, some air fresheners, some dishwasher tabs. I also picked up a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I got some toilet bowl cleaners, like those little tabs you drop in, some steel scrubby spongy things. I can't remember what you call those. I also got some garbage bags, and these are the Glad garbage bags that are scented and they smell really good, so they're good quality bags. I got some Brillo Basics scrub pads, some trash bags for my bathroom. I also picked up some Lysol disinfecting wipes, which turned out to be really handy because our house got hit with the stomach bug yesterday and the day before, and it was no fun. I had a ton of sanitizing to do. I also got some rubber gloves, some more scrubby pads, some window wipes, which are fantastic by the way. I really like them. I also got some more Clorox disinfecting wipes, as well as these cute little gray totes. I figured those would be perfect for under my bathroom sink. So those are the items I picked up by using TopCashback.com and purchasing my stuff on the Dollar Tree website. So not only did I get my items that I needed, but I got a few dollars back. So that was super great. Alrighty guys, you know me, I like to get my island nice and shiny and clean before I do anything else in the kitchen. So I've cleared everything off of the island already, and now I'm going to wipe it down and get all of the sticky stuff off of the counters here and just make it look nice and shiny and clean. So today I used my Method Antibac all over the kitchen island. This is because we had been all battling a stomach bug, so I just wanted to make sure that everything got sanitized.
Hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left.
If you guys have any favorite cleaning supplies that you like to get from Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments below because I am always looking to find great products and great deals from Dollar Tree when I'm there, especially for household cleaning. I like to pick up some stuff from there for sure.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight. Passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Guys, my trash can looks totally nasty. It's all yucky. There's like food stuck all over the top. Don't you worry. I will be getting that cleaned later on in this video. I was just looking at this clip as I'm editing and I'm thinking, ew, that looks totally gross. People are going to think that's nasty, but that is going to get cleaned up very soon. For these pots and pans, I am busting out my Scrub Buddies that I picked up with my Dollar Tree order. We had them sitting in the sink for a couple of days because we weren't feeling too well, so I was getting the dishwasher unloaded and loaded, but those couple of pots and pans just kind of sat there and the food kind of got sticky on them, so those Scrub Buddies are definitely good for scrubbing the stuck on food. I keep meaning to pick up a drying pad to put my dishes on that are drying over there, but I keep forgetting, so hopefully next time I place a Dollar Tree order, I will remember to check and see if they have one on there. I'm going to use my plasticky scrub buddy to scrub the cooktop over here. Now I like to use the plastic because it does not leave any scratch marks, because you don't want to use steel on the stainless steel because you'll definitely leave scratch marks behind. But when I use the plastic one, there are no scratch marks whatsoever, and it also gets the stuck on food removed really easily. So I'm really happy with using these guys on the cooktop. Now, if there are any tea lovers out there, I'm telling you guys, I really love my tea kettle. I mentioned it in a previous video. I picked it up off of Amazon, but it boils your water so fast and it is super handy. I use it every single day. I'm still over here using my method Antibac, sanitizing all of the surfaces because I don't want any little stomach bugs left all over the counters, because only 2 of us got it, so there are 6 of us in the house. Hopefully the other 4 stay healthy. It looks like we are out of the woods, but I'm just going to take extra precautions and make sure that everything is sanitized and cleaned. Here are those window wipes I was telling you guys about that I really love. Those are also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just using one wipe just to go over the window, remove any marks, and this product works super fantastic. It didn't leave any streaks on my windows, so I was really happy with it. This is the first time I'm trying it, and I'm definitely going to be ordering those again because they are so handy to have. Alrighty, so now I'm just putting in a new trash bag that I picked up with my Dollar Tree order. I'm also going to be wiping down the trash can because we do get a lot of food residue on it, because I tend to ask the kids that they clear their plates on their own, and when they go to the trash can and put any leftover food in the trash, sometimes a little bit here or there will fall on the edge of it, and I'll have to wipe it and sanitize it so that it doesn't look all nasty and messy. So that's what I'm doing right now. Make sure if you guys have Instagram, you don't forget to come follow me over there. I do post a little bit more about our everyday lives, so you guys might just want to come and check us out. Alright guys, so that is it for my kitchen cleaning video for today. I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation. Now don't forget, if you guys are wanting to check out TopCashback.com, you can head to the description box down below. And if you hit that link, you can go ahead and up until March 29th, you can earn an extra $10 off of a $25 purchase. So that is a super deadly deal. It's no cost to you and you will start earning money back. So definitely check out that offer. And before you guys go, don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Hit that little notification bell so you guys get notified when I post a video. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye-bye.